After building my 2x72 belt grinder, I realized that I needed a stand for it. I made this stand with a water tray in the front. A stainless steel water tray drops right in so it can catch the sparks from the grinder, as well as a nice area where I can dunk the steel I'm working on to keep it cool. I added some drawers below to make use of space there, and then made the whole unit wide enough to fit my Tormek grindstone on the rear. Other than that, I tried to make it beefy and stout. I used a 1/4-inch plate for the top. That way everything would be nice and smooth and consistent when I use the grinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I built this stand. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed the build process. This build was pretty straightforward. It has a couple features that are unique to this grinder. The main which of being this front water tray pan area. I made it out of box tubing. I'm gonna be dropping in a standard hotel stainless steel like buffet pan in there. I hope that it works well. Most guys use a bucket of water underneath the grinder. That does work really well, but I wanted to try something a little bit more low profile and a little bit higher up. That way I wouldn't have to bend over and cool my steel from the ground. I do not know if it works yet because I haven't got the pan in. So I'll keep you updated in the comments if this works out well or if it's a total failure. Other than that, I have this area underneath here. It's kind of like a drawer that you can reach from all sides. I did that so that I could put attachments for the belt grinder on here, like the tooling arms, the rests, that kind of stuff like that. And then obviously on the bottom, I just got some drawers to keep some small wheel attachments and other stuff like that. I have a cavity in the back that's open just so I can use it for other storage in the garage. And then I use the Rhino liner, which is the Herculiner brand, just in a couple spots here on this shelf and the one down below, just to kind of add a little bit of waterproofing and a little bit of texture to make it look a little bit cooler. But other than that, it was a pretty simple design. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.